What is going on, everybody? Captain Namco here. Let's run my 2001 limited edition Kirby G6. This Kirby has not been ran in about 2 months. So, and no tech drive pedal. Still runs like this, really good. On tech drive, so I'm not too worried about that. Now, this is the one I picked up 2 years ago in St. Elmo, Illinois, and it still runs. And this is the one I actually rescued out of the rain. It still runs really good. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and a comment down below, and I'll see you next time. And before I go, I just want to remind you all, Jesus loves you and have a wonderful day.